What attracted me to UNH Manchester was affordability, proximity to home, and the scholarship opportunities. The thing that's really cool about the Millyard Scholars program is it's so much hands-on learning. In lab today, I'm working on cytotoxicity. Bacteria has started to evolve to be resistant to a lot of antibiotics. These bacteriophages help us create alternative treatments. UNH Manchester really uniquely sets me up for my future. It's very small class sizes, which allows for a lot of personal connection with your professors. There are tons of opportunities where you can get into that research really early your freshman year. I would definitely recommend UNH Manchester to somebody looking into bio or biotech programs. There's so many great people to make those strong connections with that can help you not just in college, but in your career after college.